Hi, my name is Brandy Peterson from Royal LePage here in Powell River. If you're looking for an affordable 3 or 4 bedroom, beautiful townhouse, then welcome to Westview Commons. This could be just what you're looking for. Hi, we're Farah and Trent, and what we love about living here at the Westview Commons the most is it's so stress-free, very low maintenance, and it's very cost-effective to heat.
And it's surprisingly quiet.
You want me first? I love it here because it's close to town.
So I was excited to see that they planted apple trees.
Hi, I'm Carla McKamey with Royal LePage in Powell River. Brandy and I would like to thank you for viewing our video. We'd love to see you and show you the Westview Commons. There's a few units available. If you can give us a call, text, or email, we're happy to meet you here and do a private tour. Have a great day.